Hello fellow beings, this is the last day of our motivational series and we would love to start with wise words by one of our favorite motivational speakers, and that is, there are no good people and bad people. Everybody is oscillating between the two. The point is to create a pleasant atmosphere. Anybody who doesn't like you are not bad. Here, what is good is decided by you. The moment you start to categorize people as good and bad, life would be disastrous. So the important thing to remember is life is not about them, it is about you and the aura you create. To start with, you should not give anybody the freedom to make you angry, sad, or happy. It is your privilege to decide what happens within your soul and life. First, we want to tell you that you might be thinking that you are too great or good or perfect to give advice to anyone and everyone. But give advice to those who seek, or give advice to your disciples or followers, because they are volunteering to listen to you. Never try to advise anybody who didn't seek it, because 1. You don't know their story. 2. They have a very different perspective. 3. Did they ask you for one? Because they, like you, have the same privilege of living their life and choosing what is best for them. So let them choose. Second, if you're someone who hates to be judged, then first be a saint yourself. Don't judge others. Never spread hatred, judgments, and gossips on someone or a story which you don't know about. If you're so hungry for a peaceful life, create a happy and peaceful one. Be that person on whom people can rely on for happiness rather than the one who destructs someone's life. You will always be remembered as a pure, happy soul. Next, we are borrowing wise words from a teacher. Categorize the people around you into outer, middle, and inner circles. Not as good and bad, but the first circle is those who are close to you, the inner circle, who will always want the best to happen to you. It includes your family and close friend. Value your family and surround yourself with good friends. Next, the group of people who will mostly seek the best for you, but yet can sometimes go the other way around. And the outer circle consists of whoever is left. Know who is a friend and who is an acquaintance. When someone is giving you opinion on something, think about the opinion first. If you don't think it is a wise or valid one, think which category of person gave you the advice. If the person belongs to your close category, rethink about it. Reconsider it. If you still think the opinion is not wise, realize in your inner mind that the advice is not something which you want to take in. Leave it from your mind. And if you're in so much of agony about something which someone told to you, make it clear to them that you don't like it. Choose talking or leaving the subject from your mind, or share it with someone for a peace of mind, rather than bragging, gossiping, or tormenting that person, because ultimately it affects your inner peace. Be there for people who loves you and whom you love. Reach out to them frequently and make sure they are in health and happiness. Never ignore anybody if you don't decide to be ignored. Respond to all those calls and texts from your loved ones. There is nothing like being busy 24/7. Check on each other and connect with your family and friends. Find time, forgive people, reconcile before time passes. Now, you might be thinking, who are we to give you all this advice? No, this is not advice. We are also seekers of happiness, and we, the creators of Dental School, are in our journey to be better soul and better life, just like you. So we are sharing these thoughts which we found really useful. Stay safe, healthy, happy with your loved ones. We shall overcome this pandemic too. Thank you.